In this video, we listed the 5 best treadmills for seniors that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. EXERPEUTIC TF2000. The EXERPEUTIC Recovery Treadmill is an ideal fitness solution designed for individuals in recovery and seniors, prioritizing safety and ease of use. With a robust weight capacity of 300 pounds and a user-friendly design, this treadmill features 49-inch full-length handrails with foam padding to ensure stability during walking. It includes a highly visual backlit LCD display that tracks important metrics like time, speed, distance, calories burned, and pulse, while the shock-absorbing deck cushions minimize impact on joints. The treadmill operates quietly thanks to its 1.5 HP motor, allowing speeds from 0.2 to 5 miles per hour, and offers adjustable stabilizers for leveling. Safety features include a stop button, a safety clip for emergency stops, and 2 accessory holders for convenience. The model is easy to relocate with built-in transportation wheels and requires minimal assembly. With a warranty of 3 years on the frame and 5 years on the motor, the EXERPEUTIC Recovery Treadmill is a reliable and effective option for those looking to improve their health and well-being. Number 2. Goplus Electric Folding Treadmill. The Goplus treadmill is a high-quality fitness machine designed for everyday use, particularly suited for home workouts. With dimensions of 49.6-inch DX24, WX46.5H and weighing 59 pounds, it features a sleek black design and is made from durable materials like PVC, alloy steel, and ABS. The treadmill offers a foldable and compact design, making it easy to store when not in use. It has a maximum speed of 6 miles per hour and can handle a maximum incline of 12%. Powered by an 1100-watt electric motor with 1.47 horsepower. The LCD display provides access to 12 different workout programs, catering to a maximum weight recommendation of 220 pounds. Ideal for adults seeking convenient gym-like workouts at home, this treadmill combines functionality with safety and ease of assembly. Number 3. Sunny Health Fitness SF T7603. The Sunny Health and Fitness Treadmill is a high-performance, portable, and compact running machine designed for adults seeking an effective cardio workout indoors. With dimensions of 62-inch DX27, WX47H and a weight of 103.6 pounds, it features a sturdy alloy steel construction complemented by an advanced shock absorption system for a smooth running experience. Capable of reaching speeds up to 9 miles per hour, the treadmill includes a user-friendly LCD monitor that tracks heart rate, distance, and time, along with 9 workout programs to keep users motivated. The adjustable incline offers 3 levels to enhance workout intensity, while its folding design, 32.5-inch LX27 WX58H when stowed, and transportation wheels facilitate easy storage and movement without damaging floors. With a maximum user weight limit of 220 pounds, this treadmill ensures a reliable and customized fitness experience for users of various fitness levels. Number 4. Sunny Health Fitness SF T7857. The Sunny Health and Fitness Treadmill combines performance and user-friendly features, making it an excellent option for adults looking to enhance their running experience. Designed with a robust alloy steel frame, it boasts a spacious running deck measuring 44 inches by 19.5 inches, capable of supporting users up to 295 pounds while minimizing joint impact thanks to its advanced shock absorption technology. The powerful 2.5 peak horsepower motor allows for adjustable speeds ranging from 0.6 to 5 miles per hour, facilitating a smooth transition between walking and jogging. With a focus on convenience, the treadmill is equipped with front-mounted transportation wheels for easy relocation and a low-profile design for hassle-free storage. The user-friendly console displays key workout metrics such as duration, distance, and calories burned, and features dedicated buttons for setting personalized goals. Safety is prioritized with extensive multi-grip handrails that provide extra support during exercise, ensuring a comfortable and effective workout experience. Number 5. ProForm Treadmill. The ProForm Treadmill offers a sleek black design with dimensions of 70.25-inch dx29, wx44.5h and a weight of 145 pounds, making it a sturdy yet compact addition to any home gym. Constructed from alloy steel, it boasts a maximum speed of 12 miles per hour and features a powerful 2-horsepower self-cooling motor. Designed with user convenience in mind, it includes a foldable and compact design, an 18-inch by 47-inch tread belt, and a maximum incline percentage of 5, catering to runners under 6 feet tall. Users can start a complimentary 30-day IFIT membership, gaining access to live and on-demand workouts with elite trainers who can wirelessly adjust the treadmill settings via a Bluetooth connection. The high-contrast 5-inch display tracks essential metrics like distance, speed, and calorie burn, while a sturdy frame supports a weight capacity of 250 pounds, backed by a 10-year frame warranty and a 1-year parts and labor warranty. This combination of features makes it an excellent choice for adults looking to enhance their fitness experience.